The steam exhaust stack is probably the least technical component of the pressure system, but definitely one that can cause issues on a fryer that is not properly maintained. This condensation box, or as it's sometimes referred to as an exhaust stack, is responsible for removing as much moisture as possible from the steam as it releases from the fryer. The steam exhaust stack is a stainless steel box with cool surfaces. As steam comes in contact with these surfaces, moisture from the steam collects on the cool metal surfaces of the box and runs down to the bottom and drains to the condensation pan at the front of the fryer. Overfilling the fryer with oil can cause the drain line of the condensation box to become obstructed over time. If the drain line is obstructed, a service call you're likely to hear is that at the end of a cook cycle, oil erupts out the condensation box at the rear of the fryer. If you ever get this call, the drain line can be cleaned by removing it from the fryer and snaking out any obstructions from within it. Another possibility is that the obstruction is located at the bottom of the steam exhaust stack. If this were to be the case, you may be able to loosen the obstruction by running a flat blade screwdriver up into the drain connection at the bottom of the stack. Or best practice would be to disassemble the stack and thoroughly clean it out. To separate the steam exhaust stack, remove all of the screws at the rear of the stack, remove the deadweight valve piping, cut the silicone seal around the stack, and then slide the stack apart. In a worst-case scenario, this stack can be removed from the fryer and soaked overnight to remove all the grease buildup. So as a best practice with the steam exhaust stack is when doing a cleanout procedure, you pour 1 cup of the fryer cleanout solution down the stack and then watch for this water to come out of the front of the fryer in the condensate drain pan. This helps loosen grease and debris from the condensate drain line. So in closing, remember to remind customers to only fill to the lower line when the oil's cool, the upper line when the oil's hot. If the drain line's obstructed, remove it and clean it. If the stack is obstructed, separate it and clean it, and then remind the customer to pour 1 cup of cleanout solution down this when performing a cleanout. This helps keep the drain lines flowing.